Just grab your banjo and play along when you are ready. Strike down on the middle string with the back of your fingernail, index or middle finger, whichever works for you. Follow up with the strum. Finally, pluck the fifth string with your thumb. Notice how my thumb lands on the fifth string when I strum. Mute the strings with your left hand if you need to practice quietly. This is the basic frailing strum pattern. With enough practice, this technique will become second nature. And don't worry about speed for now. Speed is just a byproduct of your ability. Let's